Good afternoon. I thought I wanted to try something a little different. I did the lock picking with a 25-pound weight on the lock in one hand. And I called it lock picking under pressure. This one I'm gonna try is gonna be I'm gonna have weight on the lock, and I'm gonna have weight on 25 pounds on both hands and picking the lock. I got a strap on one for my right hand so I can have a little maneuverability and it won't be as painful as a chain on the other one. Anyway, I got 225 pounds there, and I thought I would try picking that lock like I did before with the 25, but adding a 25 on there. I'm calling it either lock picking under pressure 2.0 or lock picking under extreme pressure. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it, but I will put it up as lock picking at under pressure 2.0, I guess. Anyway, if you like the other name, I'll change it. I'd give a shout out to Locking Paul. I know he'll probably comment and like this, or if he sees it. I'm gonna have to put you here so I can keep my hands down lower to do this. And I'm gonna see if I can do this. I believe I will be able to. This strap is not. It doesn't seem to be holding holding the weight very well. It seems like it wants to come loose, so I'm gonna have to adjust this. Hopefully, I can fix this. Doesn't seem to want to hold this weight very well. Must not be. It's not very strong. I'm gonna have to tie this strap into a knot here and hope it holds and doesn't fall on my foot. I am sorry for the delay on this, and I hope this will hold up. And I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna grab the picks off that top shelf there. I'm gonna have to set this one down. I'm sorry about the length here. I'm gonna put the tension wrench in the lock so I don't have to do that. And I'm going to hopefully get this to work. Okay, you see I got the two weights on me. I'll stand back here a little bit if I can get back a little further. Alright, let's try picking this lock. I gotta set it down for a second here because I gotta get a better handle on the lock. Not very comfortable. I had the pressure on the shackle a little bit there and wouldn't work. Wouldn't. It's getting very heavy. And I think I'm gonna have to quit. So I did try, and it's not working out. It's not working out. Slipping on my hand here. This one on the chain. Hopefully the video is still recording. See if I can get a better hold on the lock. Try this again. I am determined to try to do this. I will have to Give it one last try here. And it's not very comfortable on my back, of course. And let's sit down for a second here. Gonna the weight's still on my arms, but very much hopeful I can get this within the 10 minutes. Yeah, I got the weight supported on my arms and set. I got it set on the ground, but all the weight's on my hands, and well, looks like this is a fail. Just can't take it no more. It's cutting into my hand there, wrist there, the strap. I thought I'd try it. Anyway, sorry it didn't work out, but I did try it. And thank you for watching. Hopefully, like I said, it was cutting into my hand there, and didn't like that. Anyway, that was a fail, but I did try it a couple times. You did see that. And well, since I have it on there, I will try to maybe try something a little different here. Maybe put both the weights on my on the picking hand. No, I ain't gonna try that because my back is kind of hurting now from that, trying to do that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Sorry it didn't go work out, but gave it my best. Thank you again for watching.